Whoa!
Wow.
Okay, so that was a lot of excitement.
Okay, now calm down. All of us are excited
I
now.
know, right? It's Sony's brand new PlayStation
Yes,
5.
even we are excited.
Yeah, ever since Xbox Series X came out, guys, I was
Yeah.
like very excited
Yeah.
to see what will Sony bring out for the competition. And today Sony has finally revealed their brand new PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is Sony's next gen gaming console, guys, that brings a lot of new features, and in this video we'll be talking about all of its features and everything you want to know, and also we'll be talking like should you wait for this PlayStation 5 or build a brand new gaming PC. So yes, that will also be covered in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And first what we'll be talking about is the design, guys, the looks. Just look at that new console. Unlike the previous PS4, this one has a new vertical design.
Yes, it's vertical.
That is awesome, right? And just look at that design. It looks
It's gorgeous.
gorgeous yet, but it looks completely futuristic.
Yeah.
That console looks like something, a concept design, concept art with a black and white finish, and I totally did not
I love
expect
it.
that. When I first saw the trailer, me and my sister, I literally got goosebumps on my hand, guys. I was that excited about this console. I like the design. She also liked the design. What do you guys think about it? Do you like this new vertical design with the black and white futuristic concept, or would you prefer the usual, the design which was available on the previous consoles? So let us know in the comment section down below.
Yeah.
So that was about the design. Now let me tell you about the models, guys. The PlayStation 5 comes in two different models.
Right?
Yes, two models. One is a digital edition one when there is no Blu-ray drive on it, and the second one comes with a 4K Blu-ray drive. So if you would ask my personal opinion, guys, see, most of the games that I buy are online only, like Steam and all that. And it's been like ages we have bought some CDs. We are all going digital, and even if you talk about movies, we are just streaming online movies. We haven't purchased any discs since a long time.
So what do you guys prefer?
Yeah. What do you usually prefer, CDs or online content? Let us know in the comment section down below. So that was about the model differences, and along with these new consoles, they've also shown the DualSense controllers. We've already seen that a couple of days ago. Sony has teased us with these brand new DualSense controllers. It looks awesome. The design is very futuristic. It's got that black and white theme with mostly white part covering it. I would have loved to see a matte black color variant also. People really like matte black as well. Let's see if Sony drops that variant as well. We'll have to see about that. And along with these controllers, they also come up with some new headset as well, which supports, it's called the Pulse 3D headset, and it's a wireless one and supports 3D audio.
3D audio.
Very excited to check it out. As well as there's a new 3D,
3D
camera.
camera.
3D camera. There'll be a lot of stuff going on with this. We'll be talking about that very soon. First, let's talk about the specs of this brand new next gen console, the PlayStation 5. So the PS5 is made for 8K gaming, guys.
8K gaming.
Awesome, right? Like seriously, gaming at 8K resolution, that is next level. Now that is what I'm talking about. Crazy, right? But my only question is, will people have 8K TVs actually to support this console?
I don't think so.
We don't have an 8K TV currently. We only have a 4K TV. So yeah, I guess that will have to wait. And also 8K TVs are very expensive and not that easily affordable, so most of the people won't be having that. So you will still have to play it mostly 4K only. But the best part over here is, with this new PlayStation 5, you can game at 4K 120 Hz. That is awesome. I like really can't wait to get my hands on this PlayStation 5. So talking about the CPU, this whole thing is powered by AMD. It's got the new AMD Zen 2 based architecture, octa-core CPU, yes, 8-core CPU over here. And talking about the GPU, they're using AMD's RDNA2 custom GPU that comes with 16 gigs of VRAM and GDDR6 memory. Awesome, right? And talking about the storage, they've got a 825, right?
GB,
yes, they've got a custom super fast 825 GB SSD on board. And what else do they have? So yeah, these are the main specs of this PlayStation 5, guys. Wow, you can see the excitement on my face, right? This PlayStation 5 will be coming out in holiday 2020. But I guess due to the current situation in the
Yeah.
world happening right now, I think it will be a bit delayed for the
think we
Indian
have to
market. Maybe it will be available next year. We can't be sure about that.
year.
But don't worry, guys. I will try to get this PS5 as soon as possible, whenever it's available for you guys, and I'll make a special video on that. So stay tuned to the channel. And not just that, guys, Sony has not just revealed the PlayStation 5, they've also actually shown some awesome games.
Yes.
25 to
Yes.
28 of them, brand new games made specially for the PlayStation 5.
And
And the first game that we both were excited about,
Spider-Man.
yes, the brand new Spider-Man game, Spider-Man Miles Morales. And when we
It
saw
was
this trailer,
awesome.
it was awesome. We got goosebumps,
I
you know.
loved it.
The animation, the graphics. If you haven't seen those trailers, guys,
You have to watch.
I'll leave links to those trailers in the description box below. First, go there and check it out. And because these are not just trailers, these were actually in-game, gameplay footage played on the PlayStation 5. And the graphics were like mind-blowing,
Crazy.
awesome. Wow. Super excited. So this was Spider-Man's Miles Morales game, and then there were other games like
Resident
a
Evil.
brand new
Yeah.
Resident Evil 8, and we've got Gran Turismo, guys, new Gran Turismo. You should see the trailer. Amazing graphics. I'm like super hyped about this. Can't wait to see how this thing performs and what sort of graphics we'll get to see in live.
I can't
See,
wait to play them.
trailers are one side, but actually playing and experiencing those games and graphics is something different. So that will have to wait. So yeah, this is what we wanted to share with you all, our excitement, our reaction to Sony's brand new PlayStation 5. There is a lot more to come, guys. They haven't revealed everything yet. So we'll be, sharing all those updates as well with you guys very soon as we get to know. What do you guys think about this brand new PlayStation 5 and the level of graphics they're offering? And yes, we haven't talked about the price, right?
Oh, yeah.
It'll be priced very closely to the PlayStation 4, or maybe slightly expensive than that. But in India, we are guessing it'll be around 50,000 rupees, guys. Not less than that. So it's a bit of expensive gaming console.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also, you wanted to say about that PC and
Oh yes, a lot of people have a question, right? Like, should you wait for this new PlayStation 5
build your
or
own
should you
PC?
build your own gaming PC? Which one is the best? See guys, this is one tough question for me. Not for me, for everyone, because see, PlayStation 5 has its own separate fan base and gaming PC has its own separate fan base. You just can't mix both of them. It's very tough. If you would ask me being a PC builder, PC enthusiast, I'm still excited for the PlayStation 5.
he can't choose. He just
I can't
loves
choose.
gaming.
I can't choose. I think I'll get this and that. I'll buy both. So this question will have to wait, guys, because we haven't actually seen the PlayStation 5 in live, right?
Yeah.
So once we get our hands on the PlayStation 5, we'll be building a gaming PC configured equally to that at the same price, and then
We can
we
compare,
can compare and talk which one is the best one. And what else can we say? Well, that's pretty much it, guys. We wanted to make this video for you guys, especially to talk about the PlayStation 5. It was worth the hype and worth the wait. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to learn about this console. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, especially for PlayStation 5. It definitely deserves it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.